Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making chicken tacos. It's very simple and easy recipe. Let's get started. We need a small size of onion finely chopped, bell pepper 100 gram or 1 by 4 cup, 1 medium size chopped tomato, 1 lb ground chicken, garlic 1 teaspoon, ginger 1 teaspoon, cumin half teaspoon, red chili half teaspoon, salt 3 by 4 teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon. In a pan, heat 1 by 4 cup of oil. Then we will add ginger and garlic. Fry it until it will change its color. It will be ready within 1 minute. Now garlic and ginger change its color. We will add coriander powder, red chili, cumin and salt. Fry it for 20 to 30 seconds. Now add ground chicken and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, when oil starts to show up in a pan, add onion and cook it for 2 minutes. Onion has been well cooked. Now add tomatoes. Stir it well. Cook it for another 1 minute. Then add bell pepper. And we will again cook it for 5 minutes. Chicken has been cooked. Now I will add 1 to 2 tablespoons water because I like it to be moist. Stir it well and cook it for another 1 minute. Chicken will be ready for the tacos. For taco filling, I am using tomatoes, bell pepper, olives, onions, and cilantro. There is no specific quantity for vegetables. If you use bell pepper more, add more. If you don't like onions, don't add it. In a bowl, put all the vegetables. One teaspoon lemon, 1 teaspoon olive oil is optional. Now mix everything. For tacos topping, I'm using 1 avocado, 1 teaspoon lemon, 1 by 8 teaspoon salt. Mash avocado with fork. Take a taco shell and put a layer of lettuce. Now put 1 full spoon of chicken, or if you like more, you can add more. Mixed vegetable will go on the top. It's your choice, you can put the top layer of avocados or the cheese. If kids don't like the hard taco shell, then we can use the tortilla. Make a layer of lettuce. Then add chicken. mixed vegetable. I am making this one with the cheese, so you can put some cheese on the top, and it's ready. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Take care.